Microsoft 365 seems to be changing daily. So today what I wanted to show you is a feature that's now working in the desktop version of Excel 365, and it comes from the Automate tab. So if you have a look at your data here, you'll notice that there are some rows hidden. So you can see the numbers sort of skip 1, 2, 4, etc. So I know my data has hidden rows. Rather than select my entire worksheet and then right click and choose unhide, there is an Automate tool that enables you to automate common tasks like this. So if I go to the Automate tab, here's some recently used scripts, and you can go and look at all scripts and see some of the other things you can do, but this is purely just to show you what this new feature does. So scripts are basically a simple version of macros that people might want to do commonly, and an alternative to having to know the menu options to perform each of those actions. So here I have an option that says unhide all rows and columns. So this is great if you've been working with a spreadsheet and you want to bring it all back to normal so that everything's on display. So over here on the right hand side, a code editor turns up. Now remember, we've got 1, 2, 4, 5, just so that you can see. If you click run, you'll notice that your data is now all revealed. So that's an example of the Automate tab, which is now new in Excel 365.